Hello, let us solve one question of GATE 2021 mathematics differential equation. The critical point of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus 2 alpha dy by dx plus beta square y is equal to 0 where alpha greater than beta greater than 0. Then option A, node and asymptotically stable. Option B, spiral point and asymptotically stable. Option C, node and unstable. Option D, saddle point and unstable. So for this question, first we have to find the roots of the auxiliary equation of differential equation. Now here the differential equation is d square y by dx square plus 2 alpha dy by dx plus beta square y is equal to 0 where alpha greater than beta greater than 0. Now for this differential equation, the auxiliary equation will be m square plus 2 alpha m plus beta square is equal to 0 and the roots will be m is equal to minus 2 alpha plus minus 4 alpha square minus 4 beta square divided by 2. Now 4 alpha square minus 4 beta square is greater than 0 because alpha greater than beta greater than 0. This implies that alpha square greater than beta square and this implies that alpha square minus beta square greater than 0. This implies that 4 alpha square minus 4 beta square greater than 0. So the discriminant is strictly greater than 0. So we have two real distinct solution. Now let P1 and P2 be the roots of the equation. Then P1 is equal to minus 2 alpha plus 4 alpha square minus 4 beta square square root by 2 which is equal to minus alpha plus alpha square minus beta square root, and P2 is equal to minus 2 alpha minus 4 alpha square 4 beta square root all divided by 2. This is equal to minus alpha minus alpha square minus beta square root. So P1 is equal to minus alpha plus alpha square minus beta square root and P2 is equal to minus alpha square minus beta square root. Now we have to check that P1 and P2 are both positive or negative or of opposite sign. Now alpha greater than beta, this implies that greater than 0. This implies that alpha square minus beta square greater than 0. Now alpha square minus beta square less than alpha square. This implies that alpha square minus beta square root less than alpha. This implies that alpha square minus beta square negative sign is greater than minus alpha. This implies that minus alpha plus alpha square minus beta square less than 0. So P1 is of negative sign. Now P2 is equal to minus alpha minus square root of alpha square minus beta square. It is clearly less than 0. So we get both roots of the auxiliary equation are real, unequal and negative sign. So for position and stability of critical point we have 4 conditions, and condition 1 is if the roots are real and unequal, then we have 2 conditions if both roots are same sign and of opposite sign. If both roots are same sign, then it will be node, and if both roots are opposite sign, it will be a saddle point. Now for node, stability will be when both roots are negative sign, then it is asymptotically stable, and if both roots are positive sign, then it is unstable. And for stability saddle points always unstable. Now condition 2, if real and equal, then it is always a node and it is stable when it is of negative sign, and it is unstable when both roots have positive sign. And condition 3 will be if two roots are complex conjugate, then it is a spiral point which is stable when the real part of roots is less than 0, and it is unstable when the real part is greater than 0. Now the condition 4 is if the roots is of purely imaginary, then the point will be a center and it is stable but not asymptotically. So from the above discussion we get two roots P1 and P2 which are both real, unequal and of negative sign, means both are same sign, so it is a node, and since both roots are negative sign, so it is stable. So for this question the critical point will be a node and asymptotically stable. So option A is a correct answer. Thank you.